Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is the 2014 GMC Sierra SLE Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number X309X. 72,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Onyx black in color. You do receive the Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. Seats 5, cloth interior. Seat bottoms flip up for additional cargo space. Custom fit WeatherTech mats throughout for easy cleaning. Rear defrost for excellent visibility. Z71 off-road suspension package. Includes skid plates for protection. Locking tailgate, backup camera along with rear parking sensors, and trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Very safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating. This SLE has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, lower the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting. With driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And this, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual-zone automatic temperature control along with heated front seats. Power adjustable pedals, great for shorter drivers. All the power outlets you'll need. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials. Overhead. HomeLink transmitter for garage door openers. Under the hood, this here has a 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more information on this here, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.